Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Have you been noticing that your World of Tanks Blitz application has lately been lagging, freezing or stuttering? If yes, then follow along till the end of the video since we are trying to fix the issue here. First of all, open up your World of Tanks Blitz game on your device and from the main home screen after you are logged in, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once you end up in this settings page, click on graphics from the top menu. Inside graphics, go to graphics quality and make sure to choose low. After you choose low from the graphics setting, you can get back to the game and then enjoy playing. After you do this, choosing the lower graphics setting or medium graphics setting will reduce lag, especially during intense battles. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Lagging in online multiplayer games sometimes often comes from unstable internet connection, so make sure you are using a Wi-Fi connection with low latency. Before launching the game, close any other apps running in the background. Extra apps uses your phone's or PC's RAM and CPU, causing performance drops, so make sure that you have only the game playing at the moment on your device. Don't forget to update your gaming device's software in order to make sure to fix lag issues while playing the game. So if you keep in mind all of these steps, you will be able to fix the lag and make your World of Tanks Blitz run smoother on your device. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.